How to stop Instagram from automatically following other accounts. Instagram does not randomly follow accounts on its own. This issue happens when a malicious third-party app like an unfollow tracker or a follower booster, or even sometime a hacker has gained access to your account tokens. In this situation, remove third-party apps access immediately. Go to your profile and tap on the menu. Then simply scroll down until you see your apps and media section. And from there, tap on app website permissions. Then tap on apps and website and go to the active field. Now under this field, look for any apps you do not recognize. And if you see any malicious or third-party apps, simply tap on it and it will be removed. And instantly got their access to your profile. Now to check this status, tap on removed and you will see if it is removed successfully or not. After that, try changing your password. So for that, tap on account center and go to the password and security. From there, tap on change password and try creating a new password. So all the logged in devices have to enter the new password to log in. Now to force log out of unfamiliar devices, tap on where you're logged in. And from here, you'll see a list of devices that you are currently logged in. And if you see any suspicious device, simply cut the access off by tapping on the individual and tap on logout. And finally, turn off auto confirm for follow backs. Scroll down in your setting and find follow and invite friends. And make sure that you turn on the flag for review once, so that followers and follow requests from certain profiles, including this scam or spam, will be flagged and moved to a separate section of your follower list from where you can review. And that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.